Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. I just wanted to make this quick video to tell you guys that now is the best time to upgrade your stake on Crypto.com. For one, the price is so low of CRO token, it seems to be going back up a bit. Another reason why is because they're updating the CRO staking rates, so you're gonna have to stake a lot more CRO that you may not be able to afford to get the benefits. If you do it before November 2nd, you can do it right now and you are then grandfathered in, and you don't have to buy the extra CRO that changes unless you unstake and restake, or if you upgrade your card. Now, if you upgrade your card right now, you don't need to do these staking rates. You just need to use these staking rates. And also, another benefit of upgrading your card is that card holders, no wait, card upgrade fees are waived for all card holders globally from October 23rd, 2020 to November 2nd, 2020. So there's no $50 fee or anything like that for card upgrades for the physical card. Completely free if you upgrade right now, other than staking for the card, which these are the costs. So if you don't have the Ruby Steel, then I recommend you use my referral link to get $50 free, because if you do it in November, you're going to get $25 free only, and you would have to stake $244. If you do it now and use my referral for Ruby Steel, you can get $50 free, and so will I, just to make that aware. But then the card's already free for your first time. But let's say you're a Ruby Steel right now, right? If you're at Ruby Steel, you can upgrade to Jade or Indigo at $975. It's only like $800 more dollars. And you can stake that, get the 3% back, 100% back on Spotify and Netflix, and get airport lounge access. And then when they change it to these rates, it would then cost someone $2,440 to stake. Well, not cost, but require them to stake that much. So just think about how good of a deal that is. $975, and then right now, and then $2,440. It's best time to do it is now. And also, if you wait, then it will cost you to upgrade. So if you're thinking about upgrading from Ruby Steel to Indigo, now is the best time, and including because of the $50 fee being waived for the card upgrade, the physical card upgrade. But yeah, you can tell how good these rates are right now compared to what they're going to be November 2nd. And also, if you haven't, if you don't have a Crypto.com account, use my referral and we'll each get $50 free. That I'd greatly appreciate that. Help out my channel a lot. All right, well, just wanted to make this quick video to let you guys know that you will be grandfathered in if you stake for these rates right now before November 2nd. Crypto.com warned us ahead of time, gave us a couple weeks to know. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.